Hello everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look on how you can add another account to your Windows machine. Most likely we're gonna add, you'll need this new account in case you have multiple family members and you want each and everyone to have their own account. For each and everyone can have their own settings, their own browser settings, their own documents and files, or you are working in environment where multiple people are using the same laptop or PC, and again you want that separation between accounts, so everyone can have their own username and password and their own private files. And today's video is sponsored by CloudSwap. CloudSwap is an online service tool that can help you transfer files from one cloud provider to another. For example, if you have your files hosted on OneDrive and you wish to switch to Google Drive, that's no problem. It's all done in 3 easy steps. You need to select the folders and files that you wish to transfer, and then choose the destination where you want them to be copied. And that's it. You simply click start, and then your files will be copied to the new cloud provider. For more information, please check the link in the description below and register for free and start migrating or transferring your files. In order to do this in Windows 10, we will need to head out to the start menu and then click on settings. We have the Windows setting popping up and we want to search for accounts. So click on that. And here we want to go to family and other users, because you see at the moment this is my information. I have this PC set up. I have a local account and it's an administrator account. So I want to add another guest user. For example, when family and friends come over and let's say they want to use the PC, by adding another user, they will not require me to give out my password or use my browser or so on and so forth. So they can use their own dedicated account. So in settings, we have to go to family and other users, click on this. And then on the other user section, we want to add someone else to this PC. So click on this plus sign, and we're gonna have the Windows account pop up where Microsoft is asking, okay, how will this user sign in? So, for example, if you're setting up an account for your kids and they have Windows account, then you can add that account here, so you can create one account for each family member. For this example, I will not add a Microsoft account because I want this to be a generic guest account. So I'm going to click on this link here. I don't have this personal sign-in information. Click on this, and then Microsoft will ask you, okay, so you want to create an account for this person. So again, I don't want to do that. I just want to add a user without a Microsoft account. So you have this option here, add a user without a Microsoft account. But in case you want to create an account, this is the step where you create that specific account. Click on add a user without Microsoft account. And then we get this information where we need to create a username for a user for this PC. So I'm gonna name this PC guest. So keep it simple, and of course I can make it secure. So this is the place where if I want, I can add password. So let's try something. Right. Okay. And you also are required to answer a few questions in case you want to reset the password. So in case you forget the password, you will have also that option. So you have to answer a few of the questions here. Doesn't matter, I'll just put some random details. Okay, and then you have to click next. Of course, if you leave it blank, so no password at all, then you just create a user with no password, so everyone can log into that. Click on next, and there you go. It's that easy. Now we have a new account, and this is the one that we created, and it's a local account. Of course, you can change this to an administrator, so it has more rights. And in order for you to change it, we have to click on it and then change the account type. If I click on this, I get another pop-up. Let me bring this over. Then you see here, you have account type, you have standard user or administrator. Let's say I want to make this administrator, click on administrator, click OK, there you have it. It's that easy. But let's change it back to a normal user. So I'm going to put it again as standard user, click OK. And we're done with this. Now, let me close this. How can you switch between them, right? So if you go back to start and hover this icon here with an avatar, you will see that we have at the moment the current user that I'm logged in with. So this is the PC. But if I click on it, there you go. You have the PC guest account. Now, let's say you want to remove the user that you just created. So we're gonna take the same steps. We are going to the settings section, then head over to the account, and we want to go to family and other users, and there we have the PC guest account that we just created. So click on that and you will see here the remove button. So if I click on the remove, it will ask me delete account and data. So this is a warning in case you have files on that account. It will say like deleting this person's account will also remove their files from this PC, including their desktop downloads, documents, photos, and music, and so on. In our case, I'm going to go ahead and delete the accounts and data. But if you have a valid account for your guests or for your family members, you want to take a backup of their files before deleting it. In our case, I'm just going to go ahead and delete the account and data, and there you go. The account is now deleted. So again, this is how you create a username, actually a user account, a guest account on your Windows 10 PC. If you like this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up below. Please subscribe, please like the video, and talk to you in the next one. Take care. Bye.